Through the 1930s and 40s, Walt Disney, inspired by watching his young daughters ride the Griffith Park carousel, formed a plan to build a new kind of theme park, where adults could enjoy it alongside their families. In 1948, that idea began to take shape. It was initially planned for a 16-acre plot of land adjacent to the Disney Studios on Riverside Drive in Burbank, California, before Walt realized it was just too small for all the ideas he had for the park. So here's my quick walk through the property as it looks in late 2025, still undeveloped and now part of an equestrian facility and riding trails to Griffith Park. We'll also take a look at some of the original and modern studio facilities. Apologies for any inaccurate, off-the-top-of-my-head voiceover info and the short clips. Watch the great videos linked at the end by Adam and Hey Brickey for a much more complete telling of the history. Hey everyone. I'm in Burbank, right next to Disney Animation Studios, and this is the location that would have been Mickey Mouse Park, Walt's first idea for a studio-themed park for people to come to. But through the 40s, it just became more and more apparent that they would need more land, and maybe we should look somewhere else, like Anaheim. So we'll see that in a few days. I filmed this a few days before I shot my fall Disney Parks walkthrough videos on the channel. Oh really? That's his squirrel hole? We have some semi-tame squirrels in our yard, so we're always looking for them. Oh, and lizards too.
Okay. I don't want to get all the weird diseases that they have over here with their bugs.
Part of the reason it's still undeveloped is it connects an equestrian center with Griffith Park. So obviously before they built the new animation building, they would have been the main entrance would have been here off of Riverside. And then the railroad would have just gone in a loop around this way instead. Yes. So the freeway didn't block it here. It would be all the way to like those trees over there. Quite evidence of horses.
Yeah, that's cool. Look at these spider ants.
These what?
Spider ants.
Oh wow.
Jesus.
Yeah. Damn, you're right.
Red.
Yeah, don't stop near that.
I'll try not to.
I forgot they have them in California now too.
That was crazy.
So getting the normal black kind is okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, that must bother the horses. We'll just go to the other side and look and come back. It's lit at least. Currently walking underneath the 134 freeway. Yes, I'm not gonna miss horse burial. And this is actually the Yep, that is Forest Lawn across the way. And Griffith Park up there. And I don't even know if you ever knew that there was this really wide bridle path, horse path on this side of the freeway.
No, I never did.
It goes all the way down that way. There's stables down that way, I believe. Yeah. quite a lot of water in the LA River. There were thunderstorms in the hills today, though this could be runoff from the storms. But I bet it is. That's quite a lot of water. Back under the freeway with the ABC building and Animation Studios backlit in the late evening. Very nice patio. The loading dock sign is in the original 1930s studio architect Kem Weber's Mouse Deco font. That's pretty cool. We are now walking west on Riverside Drive, between the Animation Building and the ABC Building. This is the building recognizable from the Disney's Once Upon a Studio short you can find on YouTube. Oh, I guess I recorded this clip by mistake. Oh, I'm recording it. Now, we're walking north on Buena Vista Street at one of the iconic entry gate signs. It's also in the Mouse Deco typeface, as is most signage around the studio. And now this is heading east on Alameda Ave towards the North Studio Gate and the side of the Michael Eisner building. Just see all. Pedestrian.
Oh, there's this sign?
Yeah, I saw it. I'll do it when we go sideways. Referring to this overhead Walt Disney Company arch sign. That's cool. So this used to be. Yeah, it's just down there is where Walt's office used to be. Well, it's still preserved as Walt's office.
You used to be able to see that better.
I know.
What happened? Did they
I
build
thought
this?
part of it used to face the freeway too.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Because I remember seeing them like as a kid's One Direction. I mean, it's called the Michael Eisner building, so it was built in the 80s. Turns out the Eisner building was completed in 1990, and the ABC building by the freeway in 1996. So there would have been a few years where you could see the dwarves from the freeway. That must be what we're remembering. Like, is Bob here? Can I talk to Bob Iger? This is looking east towards the Equestrian Center stables. And back west now towards the ABC headquarters and Roy E. Disney Animation Building. Behind the tree is the way we walked out past the back patio and loading dock. That'll about do it. There'll be a bit more studios footage in my upcoming bike POV video on my other channel, which I'll link to with an end card here when published. Thank you for watching. And, as I put in the intro, check out these much more in-depth videos by Adam the Woo and Brickey.